dare you got revived by Mau Mau.
That's it. We're turning you into a giant. Oh no. I'm turning into a giant.
That's what you get for being revived by Mau Mau. Oh no. We're so busted.
That's right. I can't believe you turned me into a giant. Why did you do that?
Because you got revived by Mau Mau.
That's it. I will tell Stefani while I'm turning myself back to normal.
Princess and Wolf. I can't believe you turned my husband into a giant. That's it. Go home right now.
Princess and Wolf. We all cannot believe you turned right into a giant. That's it.
You both are grounded until your grounding time is over. Come on, Wolf. Let's go home now.
And Princess, go upstairs to your room now.